Hey everyone, it's Nate, back with another pre-owned spotlight. Alright, so for this week we have a 2019 Softail Heritage Classic. It's got the 114 Milwaukee engine in there. There's only 1,800 miles on this bike. It's got some mods done to it as well. Starting out in the back here, we got the LED taillight and LED turn signals. We do have the black saddlebag guards on here as well, along with the black engine guard. LED headlights and front turn signals as well. And then it does have a Vance & Hines slip-ons on here as well. So if you are interested, give us a call at 920-498-8822. Ask for one of our sales guys and they'd be happy to help you out. Thanks guys. See you next week.